Hello viewers. Today I will show you how to set up the Facebook pixel for Woocommerce site using Google Tag Manager. So before set up the pixel, make sure you have connected the data layer with your Woocommerce website. And if you want to set up your own data layer, you can check my previous video where I showed how to set up the data layer for the Woocommerce site. You will get the video in the description box. So let's get back to the screen. So here from the Google Tag Manager, I already connected the tag ID with my website. You can see here this Google Tag Manager already connected with this website. So let's create a pixel here and name your business name here. So here you will see a dataset ID. Just copy that ID number and from the template you just search from the gallery from the tag template and add this tag template with this tag manager. And here I will create a variable here which would be a constant variable. And put here the that dataset ID number here. Okay, so this base code added here. Now I have to check from the preview. Here I will check the data layer code. So after placing a test order, you can see here that purchase event fired, the begin checkout. So all the events are actually fired, and from the data layer option you can see the code as a GA4 schema. You can see here the e-commerce items, item ID, item, and all those things. So using those codes, I have to create the variable from the Google Tag Manager so I can connect with that pixel. So let's set up the variables at first here, and here I already added my data layer codes so I can easily make the variables here. So I just copy from here. And from here you would check the data layer variable and just have to place those those codes with those variable. So here is the item name, e-commerce.items dot 0.item name. Here is the item ID. And this one is the for the currency. E-commerce.currency. So here is I added some variables here for now, and from here I will create the triggers for those events. So here is the event of view item. So I would name it view item trigger. And here I will choose the custom event, and I will set the event name as like same with this event. So here is the view item. This one will be for the add to cart. This is for the vegan checkout. And at the end will be the purchase. So this is the very simple way. You can just add here those event name and make the triggers. So this time I would set up the tags here for the Facebook pixel. Here is the that template I already added here. Now from here I will choose the MP page ID, which variables I made before. So here is the page view event. So I'll put here the event name as like this, and the value will be the page view. And here the trigger would be the all page. Then save it. And the next tag would be for the view item. This same pixel ID, I would choose here the base code. Make sure you have to select the view content here. Now in this object properties, I have to add few parameters here. You can see I already added here. So here would be at first the event name here. Here is the content type. Content type would be here product. Here will be the content name. For the content name, the item name here. Here would be the content ID, which is here the item ID. Here would be the currency. So for now, here I would select the view content. This view item trigger I will add here and save it. And also for the add to cart event, those parameters will be remain same as like the view item. So I would just make a duplicate here. Just you have to change the event here. It would be add to cart, and the event name would be add to cart. And the trigger I will select here the add to cart trigger. Okay, so next for make the purchase event, I have to add more additional variable I have to create here. So from the variable part, new, and this time I would made a custom JavaScript here. And this would be for the multiple product names. So just you have to copy from here and add with this JavaScript and then save it. And another JavaScript will be for the product IDs. And here will be the value variable for the total value. For this, it would be the data layer variable. It would be e-commerce.value. And another variable here for the e-commerce items. And here I would select the transaction ID. Okay, so it's completed to create the variables. So now again go to the tag, and the purchase tag, add the VS code, and here the event will be the purchase event. Now I have to add the object properties here. The event name will be the purchase. Content type will be product. And this time for content name, you have to choose that custom JavaScript product name here. There is the content ID. Select the custom JavaScript product IDs. For make the order ID, here will be the transaction ID here. Okay, so here is the things now. And now again, go to the trigger and add the purchase trigger. Save. And for if you want to add the vegan checkout here, for the vegan checkout, also their required parameters also will be remain same as like the purchase. So I just make the duplicate here. Just change the event from here to initiate checkout.
No. What is it?
Okay, so here now from the event name, you have to make the initial checkout and change the trigger to begin checkout. Then save it. So here all events added here. Now submit it, and then let's test the events as well. Let's check those events. Is it working properly or not? So here you can see here from the tag manager, all the tags was fired. And if you see from the pixel element, you can see here that all the events here fired. And from the purchase event, you can see all the required parameters showing here: content ID, content type, purchase content name, and also other events also working properly here. The add to cart event. So here actually all the events working properly here, and from the Google Tag Manager is also working properly. So here is the easy process how I show you how I set up the those pixel events. So if you want to fix or set up any conversion tracking or want to set up pixel, you can reach out to me. You will get my contact info in the description box. And also if this video is helpful for you, please like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.